Alright, good evening everybody. It is, what are we? Sunday, December 7th, 2025. It is 6:37 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And here we are again on the O-Train. This time we're doing a night ride here for my channel aboard. I think these are the newer O-Trains, newer rolling stock here in Ottawa. Here on line number 2. So I'm going to do a night version of the O-Train ride here.
Next station, Corso Italia. Prochaine station, Corso Italia.
Here's your engines right here. How's this for fascinating, eh? Definitely don't have those on our REM trains in Montreal. And I should point out that these are actually diesel trains. These are built by Alstom. And where should we sit? Let's sit over here. So I'll probably wrap the day up here by filming a nice ride here on the O-Train line 2. Heading north, as you can hear.
Corso Italia station. Station Corso Italia.
There you can see we're one stop away from Bayview. There's another train to our right. So this is a Stadler. This is the name of the rolling stock. It's a Stadler.
Northbound to Bayview. Direction nord, Bayview. Next station, Bayview. Prochaine station, Bayview.
Let's walk through this engine compartment again here, because it is rather fascinating. And of course there's no trains in Montreal that have this type of feature. What? My charging cable got stuck on the seat armrest. So yeah, pretty cool feature.
Bayview station. Last stop. Station Bayview. Dernière.
Of course, line 2 is the newest line here in Ottawa. Well, it's been since it was extended, it's the newest line. I think these lines, I don't know if they still have the name Trillium and Confederation Line. I think they renamed them to line 1 and line 2. I think line 1 was the original. And then line 2 came into play, and then they closed line 2 and extended line 2. Don't quote me on that, I don't know exactly. So we'll get a nice video here of this train departing momentarily. Notice they're not synchronized, the doors. Unlike our REM trains, where all the doors close at the same time, these ones don't close simultaneously. So there's our engine compartment that we were just looking at a moment ago. So it looks like this train's leaving in 6 minutes. Interesting to see there's some condensation there. So I'm not going to wait that long. What I'm going to do is head upstairs and go to line 1. Switch over to line 1. I think there's an elevator over here. Oh, this is the exit. Much bigger than our REM trains in terms of height. So what I'll do, we'll go outside here and maybe take a look outside.
Attention. The next Line 2 train, southbound to Linebank, is departing from platform 1. Attention. Le prochain train de la ligne 2 en direction sud vers Linebank va partir du quai 1.
So I'll show you guys something interesting here before I wrap up the video, and I think we can go back in over here. So I'll show you something pretty cool here, and we'll go inside. Actually, is it this station? Yeah, it is this station. There's some railway tracks around here that are abandoned. I think it's coming up here on the other side of this underpass. So I don't think I would have enough storage to film another O-Train ride on line 1. So I'll probably just wrap it up here with that. But I'll show you here a couple of interesting things to note. I'll at least bring us upstairs. So over here, first of all, we have this cool plaque here, this really interesting plaque. And yeah, this is for the Confederation Line of the O-Train, and it officially opened September 14th, 2019. And this was indeed the original line, not the one we were on, but line 1. So line 1 is the line that we did not just get off of. Line 1's the one I'm about to take. But anyways, so line 1 basically runs perpendicular. So line 1 was the original. So you can see there it goes back to 2019. And I don't know if we can see it because it's nighttime, but I'm going to attempt to show you. Maybe right over here actually. It's either right here or a little bit further. It could be right over here. Something that's quite interesting to see. Yeah, it's here. My bad. So this here, these are abandoned railway tracks. I don't know if you guys can see them, but these railway tracks used to basically run where line 2 is now, more or less. And apparently this was freight trains that used to run here. So pretty cool bit of history. So there's line number 1 right there. So let's go upstairs here, back into the station. So we have at least 10 minutes of video to post. So there's line 2, so let's go to line 1, which is this way. And up the escalators. So that's the line we were just on, line 2. That's the line that recently reopened after getting extended. And I think this is the original line, line 1. And there's the platform for line 1. So train's coming in 9 minutes. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that video, you know, a little bit of a nighttime vibe to it. And as always, if you guys like what you see, remember, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells. As always, more videos to come, and thanks for watching.